ICT Raj Solutions. As we promised that we shall always give you all computer solutions. Subscribe, share, and like so that you can get more of our videos. Since now all the videos are sent on the platform, on the channel. So today we are going to see how to make a bootable flash. Bootable flash, what does it mean? To make a flash compatible for Windows to be installed on our softwares, on our computers, on our desktops, and the like. So what do we need? So if you are going to make a bootable flash, make sure you have a flash which is almost like 16 GB and above, maybe 16, 32, and like. Then you have to be having an operating system. Operating system that is like Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, of that kind. Now, what do we use? We have very many ways of booting our flash, but today we are going to see the easiest way of booting our flashes. So, the app we usually use, we use an app called Rufus. If you don't have, you can download. It's called Rufus. Rufus. Then you download from their website. So Rufus softwares are here. So there is this Rufus assay for Windows according to your operating system. So this is for 64. Then this is bootable portable for 64. Then this is the assay standard Windows bootable for 32. Even this one for RAM bar 64. So you pick the one which is compatible to your Windows. Okay, so if your Windows is 32 bytes, you use the one which is having 86. If the one you are using is 64 bytes, you use the one with 64 bits. So we are going to download this. The one according to my operating system, mine is of 64 bits. You can see it is downloading. Yes. Now, after downloading, you run as administrator on your computer. Now it will bring this dashboard here. So the moment you insert your flash, it will automatically detect your flash. You can see device is saying new flash D 32 GB. It means I've inserted a flash of 32 GB. Then here we are going to choose a Windows operating system. We are going to choose the operating system we are going to install on our computers. So you just select the operating system in your computer. Now I look for where I'm having my operating system. It is here. Then I select the operating system. Then portion scheme. Portion scheme. Is your computer using GPT or it is using MBR booting system? So if it is using a BIOS or UEFIs, CMOS, you use MBR. But if it is using GPT, like these old computers, we have to select GPT. So like mine is using MBR. So then after selecting the MBR, I'll start the system. Make sure you press OK. Make sure your flash, what has been on your flash, it is going to remove everything that is on your flash. So make sure you keep your files which have been on your flash before you start booting. Then it will start booting. It will go up to 100%. You have to give it time. Now, if when it is ready, you will see the rufus saying that the operating system are now ready as a bootable Windows. So here what you do, you just remove and go and do install your operating system on your computer. So next video we shall see how do we install operating system on a computer. Thank you very much for listening. Subscribe, like and share our videos so that you can be able to learn more of these computer programs and learn IT online. Thank you very much.